ट्रम्प्स ने रात को अनाउंस कर दिए फार्मास्यूटिकल्स पे 200% टैरिफ। व्हाट डज दैट मीन? कि जो कंपनीज आउटसाइड ऑफ अमेरिका दवाइयां प्रोड्यूस करती हैं, मेडिसिन बनाती हैं, एंड दे सेंड इट टू अमेरिका एंड फॉर द पीपल ओवर देयर, तो उसने ट्रम्प ने कहा है कि उन पे ना सैंक्शंस लग जाएगी 200%, टैरिफ्स लग जाएंगे 200%। कि दैट इज बेसिकली वो होता है कि द प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ फाइजर हमने आउटसाइड ऑफ अमेरिका, सिनोफी एंड ऑल दीज यूरोप के अंदर जितने हैं, when they face tariffs, that means कि उनकी product in the American market becomes expensive by 200%, because already the US Medicare or medicines and this इलाज जो है अमेरिका में बहुत expensive है, so it becomes they become even more expensive, so the consumer would have a lot more difficulty accessing getting those medicines. So that basically what happens is basically कि जो उनके प्रॉफिट्स हैं, जब उनकी रिस्ट्रिक्शन लग जाएगी, उनकी कॉस्ट ऊपर चली जाएगी, ऑब्वियसली डिमांड कम हो जाएगी, और डिमांड कम हो मतलब कि उनकी जो होगी लोगों की पहुंच से दूर हो जाएगी, वो खरीद नहीं सकेंगे इतनी आसानी से पहले जैसे कर रहे थे। तो दैट वुड व्हाट वुड हैपन टू द प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ दीज कंपनीज, दे वुड कम डाउन, एंड दिस वी आर सीइंग सिंस मॉर्निंग कि द फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनीज अक्रॉस यूरोप दे आर कमिंग डाउन। तो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट हेडलाइन आज की, बिकॉज वो कह रहा है कि मैं 200% लगा दूंगा टैरिफ। सिमिलरली कॉपर पे 50% टैरिफ लगा दिए। कॉपर, एज यू नो, कॉपर इज यूज फॉर एवरीथिंग, सो एनी कॉपर विच इज सेंट टू अमेरिका, अमेरिका इंपोर्ट्स, उस पर 50% टैरिफ्स लग जाएंगे। व्हाट इज अ टैरिफ? टैरिफ बेसिकली इज अनदर फॉर्म ऑफ अ टैक्स जो बेसिकली कंज्यूमर पे करता है। कि एक कंट्री के जब जा रहा है, एक प्रोडक्ट्स की आती है, व्हेन इट लैंड्स ऑन द अमेरिकन शोज, कोई पोर्ट पे आती है, तो उसके ऊपर दे हैव टू पे अ टैरिफ, अ ड्यूटी टू द अमेरिकन कस्टम्स, टू द अमेरिकन गवर्नमेंट, एंड देन दे कैन, एंड दैट टैरिफ कॉस्ट ऑब्वियसली जो कंपनी होगी वो जो चीज बेचेगी उसके अंदर डाल के, प्राइस में उसके अंदर डालेगी ना, वो खुद से नुकसान तो नहीं लेगी, वो अपना पास ऑन कर देगी किस पे? हम जैसे लोगों के लिए। सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस बेसिकली, इट्स इन सॉर्ट ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन कह दें, एक इन्फ्लेशनरी टैक्स जिसे कहते हैं, कंज्यूमर पे लागू हो जाता है। सो दिस बेसिकली इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टैरिफ्स। अब टैरिफ्स का ये होता है कि ऑब्वियसली अभी आज लगाए हैं उसने, अगर टुडे ही इज अनाउंसिंग दिस इम्पोजिंग टैरिफ्स, सो टैरिफ्स का इम्पैक्ट कम्स अबाउट 6 months to a year, जब वो उनकी इन्वेंटोरी पीछे अपनी सप्लाई खत्म होना शुरू होती है, फिर वो और मंगवाते हैं, तो फिर वो टैरिफ्स जब दूसरी बाहर की कंपनी सप्लायर उसको देना पड़ता है, फिर उसका इफेक्ट आता है ऑन द प्राइसेस, और इन्फ्लेशन उसके हिसाब से फिर बढ़ती है, एंड इट टेक्स टाइम, बट टैरिफ्स डू मेक एन इम्पैक्ट, एन इन्फ्लेशनरी टैक्स। तो ये एक सिंपल सी एक एक्सप्लेनेशन कि व्हाट आर टैरिफ्स, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द न्यूज टुडे, जो आप लोग सारा लगाओगे जिसका जॉब है कि व्हाट आर टैरिफ्स। सो this is what tariffs are. Now, as I said कि पहले अगर आपकी if you were listening, I said wave theory, 2 nature based theories आपको बताई थी। एक wave theory का आइडिया दिया था, right? We did the wave count, 5 जो की थी, 1 2 3 4 5 wave count, 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है, the wave count। यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा था wave count। अब wave theory is based on nature, जैसे I told you about the waves of the ocean coming in towards the land, that's wave theory. As another nature-based study we will look at today, a number of sequence, which is used, as I said, in mathematics, in astronomy, in arts, in everything, is the Fibonacci sequence. And then we'll go on to what are Fibonacci ratios. So just to give an idea, okay, these are the 2 most important things that I look at, because I myself am very close to nature, so I like nature-based studies as well. So these 2 studies that I basically I implement them in this market, and I base my analysis on these 2 studies. The rest of it, I mean, I'm not concerned with it, because these 2 work perfectly for me, and this is what if it works fine for me, and this is what I'm going to pay it forward, tell it forward to people. So now we are going to look at Fibonacci sequence. It was Leonardo of Pisa. It was Italian. His basically father was in customs. 1202, year 1202 की बात कर रहा हूँ. So he came up with Fibonacci series, Fibonacci sequence. उसका नाम Fibonacci था, तो उसने Fibonacci sequence उसने निकाला. But basically where he learned it from, that's the important part. वो इटालियन साहब गोरे स्मार्ट नहीं थे. He learned it because his father was in customs इटली में. तो वो एक, I think it was in a Muslim country in Libya or something like that. वहाँ पे पोर्ट में his father used to work. So he learned it basically from a Muslim, and he called it his own series, Fibonacci series. The Muslims had already, they knew about this Fibonacci sequence, and he learned it from the Arabs. And उसने observe किया what is the importance किया, why is it a nature based, nature पे based मैं sequence को क्यों कह रहा हूँ. I think it will add to your knowledge, आपके उसमें इजाफा होगा, because this Fibonacci sequence is based on the study of the production of procreation ability of rabbits, खरगोश. खरगोश बड़ी जल्दी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ाता है अपनी. तो उसने उसको he observed that a pair of rabbit, male or female, उसने observe किया. ठीक है. तो let's say this is the rabbit. हंस रहा है. He's very happy. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी शादी होगी है इससे. This is male, this is female. ठीक है. और ये इतनी खुश नहीं है. वो उल्टा हो गया ये. चलो चलो हाँ मेल पे चलो. ठीक है. She is not happy, he is happy. ठीक है. This is a pair of rabbits. Now, rabbits में as I said की खुसूसियत ये है कि thing is they procreate very soon, कि बड़ी जल्दी बच्चे पैदा करते हैं. Simple word. तो in first month ये एक पेयर इकट्ठा होता है. What they do in first month basically उसको number 1 दे देते हैं month को. This is the month, the period, the time. दोनों की शादी होती है, 1 महीना गुजरता है. ठीक है. Nothing happens. Second month comes, nothing happens. And then they produce another pair. इनका ये and they produce basically कैसे होता है कि they produce another pair of male female. Right? So there is another pair. छोटे बच्चे of rabbits. ये बच्चे तो अभी ये सीरियस ही रहेंगे थोड़ा सा. ठीक है. So first pair, second pair हो जाता है. So after some time कितने total pairs हो गए? 2, 1 and 2. Right? So we are going into a sequence. पहला महीना they meet up together, nothing happens. After that they produce this. So 1 plus 1 also 2 हो गया. Now what happens? Third month में these two are still young. ये वाले they again produce another pair. This is male, this is female. Again male, another pair. छोटे छोटे बच्चे. ये another pair of rabbits. ठीक है. So what happens? अब कितने पेयर हो गए? 1, 2, 3. So you have 3. So this basically is the Fibonacci sequence जो continue रहता है. ठीक है. आगे जाके what happens? This pair produces and this pair produces. ठीक है. तो 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5 बन जाएगा. So this is a nature-based study of the rabbits based on their procreation. This is what he studied. कि इस तरह उन्होंने the pair of rabbits, the population of rabbit increased by such manner. समझ आ रही है? बड़ा मुश्किल है. अब घर आके खरगोश पकड़ना और देखना. ऐसे कैसे बैठा हूँ. वो लेके आया. मैं लेके आया हूँ घर जाके. अब देख. ठीक है. ओके. तो ठीक है. सो दिस इज हाउ ये पेयर्स बनते चले जाते हैं. एंड द फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस कम्स इनटू फॉर्म. इफ यू हैव अ मेजरिंग टेप, घर जाना, आपको एक नंबर बताया था, वो इसी रेशियो में आता है। फिबोनाची नंबर्स जब रेशियो लेंगे, if you have studied mathematics, very simple, that you divide one number by the other, you get a ratio. हो रेशियो नहीं, रेशियो। ओके, तो अभी मैं आपको बताता हूं कि लेट्स सी किसको आपने पिछला नंबर अगले नंबर से ऐड करना है। सो यू हैव टू हेल्प मी। पहला मंथ 1 1 1 + 1 2, अगला क्या होगा? अगला क्या होगा? 4 कहां से आ गया? 5। फिर क्या आ गया? फिर क्या आ गया है? A + 5 how much? 13। 13 + 8 21 + 13 34। 34 + 21, अब कैलकुलेटर्स निकाल लो। 55। वेरी गुड यार, गुड इन मैथ्स। 55 + 34 89। ओ वेरी गुड यार। 89 + 55, यहां फंस गया। And I used calculator. Okay. 134। Yeah, you're a good sportsman. You could be a good 134 हो गया ना, पक्की बात है। 134। Now if you, अब मैं आगे नहीं जाता। So this basically is the Fibonacci sequence. And I wrote it in front of you. It's rocket science, but it's simple. Which is based on the study of the procreation of rabbits. A nature based. ये सारे खरगोश हैं, pairs of खरगोश, the pairs of rabbits. Now this is nature based. Now if we take, for example, a smaller number divided by 3, 2 divided by 3 क्या बना? 0 point, करें यार, कैलकुलेटर करें। ये 1 divided by 2 0.5। 0.5 0.5। 2 divided by 3 0.6। 6 क्या है? 7। उसके 7 के आगे कुछ आता है? 6 6 7, ठीक है। 3 divided by 5 3 divided by 5 आगे क्या आता है? 0.6 आगे आता होगा, यही आता है, ठीक है। 5 divided by 8 625, पक्की बात है, कहीं किए, ठीक है। 8 divided by 13 0.615, ठीक है। 21 divided by 34 0.617, ठीक है। It's getting interesting. We are getting to that magical divine number 0.617। अच्छा, ये 21 divided by 34, 34 divided by 55 0.618, ठीक है। now if you divide 55 by 34, उल्टा कर दो, बड़े नंबर को छोटे से डिवाइड, if you divide that, you divide 55 by 34, what do you get? 1.618, 1.17, तकरीबन almost, if you round it off, it will be 1.618, right? Now this is the divine number. I say it because it is. Now आ गया 1.618 पे ना, आ गया ना, we have reached that number now, and you saw it with the Fibonacci sequence, or this is the ratios, ये ratios नहीं है, division, these are the ratios. So one number comes out to be, if you divide this 55 by 34, you come to 34, 55 is क्या? 0.618, 55 by 34, 1.618. So you have reached the magical number, the number 1.618. Now, if you have a measuring tape, you go home, you take your arm, you measure it from here to here, or isko measure it from here to here, and you divide the bigger number, ये पूरा, इस length से, you will get 1.618. Go home and try it today. Magic. The position of the Kaaba, if you take the longitude और लैटिट्यूड आप देखते हैं और उस लॉन्गिट्यूड लैटिट्यूड को आप डिवाइड करेंगे या लैटिट्यूड को लॉन्गिट्यूड से करेंगे, उसको मेजर करेंगे ऑन द अर्थ, is based on this, will come on the ratio on the number 1.618. Now if you go home and you take a measuring tape, अपनी हाइट मेजर करें यहां से लेके यहां तक, समझ आती है ना हाइट कैसे नापते हैं या नहीं आती? आती है, राइट? सो इफ यू मेजर फ्रॉम ये पूरी हाइट लो एंड देन जो नेवल जो आपका नाप है वहां से यू मेजर इट अगेन डाउनवर्ड्स and you divide that this number पूरा with your जो आपने यहां से लेंथ ली है अपने नाप से नीचे तक, you will get 1.618. You see how God Almighty, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala ने कहते हैं कि जो why do we look as we look? He had made you with such perfection, with such measurements कि आपके चेहरा, आपका जिस्म, आप हर चीज आपको ना आपको खूबसूरत और अच्छी और वो लगती है आपको. He is such a beautiful artist. He is wonderful. Haphazardly आपको ऐसे, he hasn't made you haphazardly ऐसे करके. He took, I mean, he made you with utmost love and precise, calculation. इंसान का चेहरा अपने चेहरे पे बनाया. So he made you you're a wonderful creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with such precise measurements that we look normal looking at each other. किसी बंदे का नाप यहां तक आ जाए, अजीब हो, वो क्या लगेगा? एलियन. किसी की ये बाजू बड़ा छोटा डिफॉर्म्ड लगेगा. But he had made you with such perfection. So this is the number 1.618 we have gotten to through this Fibonacci sequence. Why is it important? I'll just show it on your screens in a little while. It is applied everywhere, in everything. ठीक है? On the formation, the whole universe on this golden spiral is based on this ratio, 1.618. It's very in-depth, आपको study करनी पड़ेगी, but it's very interesting. I do not have time over here basically to look into that, but you can make that spiral if you draw a square and then another measurement के squares, you keep making them and then you draw a spiral inside them and you get almost the shape of a galaxy. ठीक है? So this is what Fibonacci sequence is, ratios and the number 1.618. Right? No questions, you've understood what I've just said, right? This number, by the way, is everything in nature, even in leaves, पत्तों में. ठीक है? Everywhere. This number is everywhere. I told you about in the last previous sessions, please go home and look on YouTube पे देखें जाके, just put in the importance of number 1.618, लेकिन किसी ने किया नहीं. Now you understand ratio, Fibonacci sequence और ratios कैसे निकाल लेते, और ये एक ratio important ये आ गया. इसके अंदर 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, 50%. तो मार्केट में होती है एक 50% retracement and up to 0.618% retracement. These are important things. आपका सवाल का जवाब कि this basically numbers are based on nature, right? And we are a natural animal, human beings जो हम भी इंसान social animal जिसे कहते हैं, we are animals. एंड वी आर बेस्ड, अल्लाह ताला ने जैसे बनाया हमें, ठीक है, पानी, वी हैव वाटर, वी हैव अदर एलिमेंट्स इन अस. तो this basically ratios basically show you the psyche of the people, and once that psyche that you understand कि that nature based study, वो wave count जो बताया था आपको, जरा आइडिया दिया था, और कहाँ तक वो मार्केट लोगों की पैनिक, where will the panic end when it's selling, when it's coming down, ठीक है, where with एक satiety level, एक fullness level कि बस that is it, this is where the prices या ये चीज़ होगी, लोगों का जो है जो sentiment basically the हाँ human sentiment basically कहाँ तक आके एक ख़त्म हो जाता है या लेवल उसका अप्रोच हो जाता है कि उनको सेटिस्फैक्शन मिल जाती है. सो दिस नंबर 0.618 is very important. As I said, it's based on nature. So we will look at it in the market. So basically was an explanation. ठीक है. अब इसमें यह है कि we will also look at trend lines. I'll come to your screens and I'll draw a trend line in front of you. Okay, what is a trend line? Trend line basically tells you about कि if you're looking at a market, अब graphs तो आपने काफी देखे होंगे जिंदगी में. Over here you'll also see it. They'll basically tell you कि on a graph कि this is the bull market and the bear market, template बनाओ और ये design it. So you should also have an idea what it is. For example, if this is market ये जा रही है, so this basically you draw from here to here. This is what you call a trend line, because it's showing an upward trend and it's holding on. The market, it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, but it holds on to these points. 2 points, if you have 2 points in mathematics, you join them together, you can draw a line. So a trend line basically tells you about what a trend is. A trend is on the upside or a trend is on the downside. So if you learn to master these trend lines, आपने अपनी आधी analysis in this market, if what you are trading, you have actually figured out कि what is happening. It is holding on to a trend, or market ऐसे ऊपर जा रही है, and if it comes down, it holds on to your trend line. That means it hasn't broken through, and the market will go up again. So you can decide, you can buy it right there, right? So these lines are also important. And today's last thing that I want to mention, Rafi, is triangles. Let's look at what are triangles. I'm an old-fashioned guy, so I still read books, which has gone out of fashion. Since we've got our tablets, our phones, we're not interested in reading. But I tell you, okay, this is where the basic knowledge is. Reading a book, it basically, if you have, I talked about imagination and everything, आपके सामने एक पिक्चर बन जाती है when you're reading a book. वो सीन आपके सामने आ जाता है. You can envisage that. So it really takes you deep, gives you a more understanding when you read a book, especially if you can visualize and you can imagine and what the author is telling you. That is the beauty of the book. It can transform you to another, what the author is trying to tell you, and you can and basically visualize and envisage what he or she is talking about. So that's why I read. I'm an avid book reader. I told you about extensions as well in waves last time. Okay. Now this is what I'm about to tell you. If you're trading in this business, if ever you want to trade, if you want to learn what this is, if you recognize these patterns, your triangles को आप recognize कर लोगे, and you pick them correctly. This is a triangle, and you figure it out. आपने उसको envisage कर लिया, उसको समझ लिया, आपको जांच लिया. वही practice के, if you practice it again and again, only then you'll get it. You can guarantee yourself that yes, the 80% of the time you will make money. In fact, 100% of the time. But if you figure it out correctly, your profits are guaranteed. Now, for example, let's see in a bull market. Triangles. Now, the first form कि मार्केट ऊपर जा रही है, is coming up, and then it forms what we say an ascending triangle. So it comes like this, 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 this. Now if you join these lines together, so this is what you call an ascending triangle. Excuse my drawing. ठीक है, हमारे मैथ्स के टीचर ट्राइंगल ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करते थे, शायद आप लोगों को ना बताओ. तो कि market is going up, it comes down, 5 legs, again 5 waves I told you, 5 legs, 1 2 3 4 5, 6th one guaranteed it moves up. So it moves. If it's a bull market, it continues its bull move after the formation of this triangle. Triangle ऐसे होगा कि ऐसे और तकरीबन ऐसे ये जाके triangle बनेगा. थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो गया तो forgive me. ठीक है, ऐसे जाके बनेगा. So it's almost like a triangle like this. Right? You join this up, it goes like this. And there'll be like 5 legs, 1 2 3 4 5. The 6th one goes up and breaks above in the original direction. So you can buy it here, you can buy it here, and you can buy it here. Okay? And boom, it goes up. So this is one ascending triangle. Ascending के ऊपर की तरफ बन रहा है जैसे ऊपर. Then there is a descending, नीचे की तरफ बनेगा. Right? Then there is a descending triangle. As the name suggests, ये नीचे की तरफ मुंह बनेगा इसका. For example, this is a bull market, ऊपर जा रही है, and it comes down 1 2 3, goes up 1 2 3. Yeah, and it comes on 1 2 3, and it goes up 1 2 3, and it comes down 1 2 3. ठीक है, ये ऐसे बनेगा. Right? And then since it is again it is in a bull market, ठीक है, the market again breaks up in its bullish trend. It will resume the bull trend. This is the ascending. नीचे की तरफ बनेगा. Now these are patterns आपको भी, you might think it's boring. My drawing is not that good. It might even seem more boring. What the fuck? So anyway, if you can figure that out on the charts that I'll show you, I told you can guarantee that where the next move is going to be. It's very easy to make money. Right? Third one is contracting or symmetrical triangle. The last one, I think I showed you an expanding triangle which actually formed in the market in the S&P 500 and the US Dow Jones and NASDAQ. I'll show it to you by the end of the session today as well. Again, अभी आपको जो explain करूँगा. Okay? We have the contracting and symmetrical triangle. Again, the market moves up. In the bull market, right, it comes down, boom, 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 goes up, 2 3 4, ये जरा सही बना, इधर ऊपर कर देते हैं. ठीक है, this is what you call a contracting. Contract कर देना. वाला, not the business contract, but the physics वाला. It's contracting. So you have the 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, boom, it goes up, resumes this trend. So this is the contract. And then the last one again a bull market. Then you have the expanding triangle. क्या होगा? ऐसे बनेगा. Right? So it goes like this. ये वाला छोटा होगा. It goes like this. ठीक है? Goes like this. Goes like this. Goes like 1 2 3 4. ठीक है? One, two, three, four. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, ठीक है. Okay. Oh, this is 1 1 2 3 4. ये गलत हो गया. Must be 1 2 3 4 5. Duster, please. Thank you. I've got an idea. I've got a very good idea. ये कर दो. Yeah. 1 2 3 4. This is 5. और ये बना लो. And then the market moves up again. This is what you call, if you look at it, expanding triangle. ये चीज expand कर रही है. This is an expanding triangle. Let me write it down. This I will show you actually on the chart when the camera also moves in. I'll zoom in, I'll show it to you. It actually, this expanding triangle formed, and if you could recognize this, you'll make definitely good amount of money. So this is in the bull market. Similarly, when the market is bearish, that's moving down, the similar sort of triangles will be made in the bear market as well, and the market will continue. At the end, ये triangle ऐसे ये बना है, इस मार्केट नीचे आते हुए फिर नीचे breakout करेगा, and the market breaks out after the triangle on the downside. So it's a bull cycle going up. These are this is what I explained to you right now. The triangles in a bull market. Similarly, there are triangles in the bear market as well. So this is done. Now, if you can go to your charts, bar chart or investing.com, S&P 500 or the Dow Jones. I'll just show you expanding triangle. अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ. हाँ. इस पे होगा. यहाँ पे बेटा ये वाला, ये एक्सपेंडिंग वाला जो अभी बनाया हुआ, कहाँ पे नजर आ रहा था? ये नजर आ रहा ना? 1 2 3 4 5. ये अब इस पे मैं बताता हूँ. इस पे ट्रेंड लाइन कर लेते हैं. ये तुम्हें ट्रायंगल समझ आ जाएगा. ठीक है, अब इधर बता दे, मुदस्सर को बता दे. इधर ट्रेंड लाइन का ये ड्रॉ कर, यार डबल लगा लेते हैं. DJI industrial level. Now this is the Dow Jones. The same thing I was looking at in S&P. This is in the Dow Jones. The expanding triangle. 1 2 3 4 5. Boom! It goes up. 100% guaranteed. If you recognize these patterns, you're going to make money. All right? Pretty good. Right? यही चीज वेरी गुड पहले ड्रॉ कर लिए. वही चीज मार्केट में बना देंगे ना. तो फ्रॉम थियरी टू प्रैक्टिकलिटी, फ्रॉम टू प्रैक्टिकल, मार्केट ने एक्चुअली वो चीज आपको दिखाई है. और ऐसे पैसे बनाते हैं लोग. मार्जिन ट्रेडिंग, इधर बाय करो तो लंबी इधर. अच्छा, इसका आप ट्रिक आपको बताऊं कि व्हाट विल बी योर टारगेट इफ यू, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से यू बाय.
सर उसका भी चल जाएगा, ट्राई करने.
अब ये देखो, ये ट्रेंड लाइन करो, अभी एक चीज, अभी आपने now you just looked at, अभी आपकी स्क्रीन के सामने expanding triangle which I told you about waves. Everybody saw it. ठीक है? I drew that expanding triangle. Now before this I told you about Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci ratio. बताया था ना? Ratios कैसे निकाले थे? Divide one number by the other. All right? In this live market, I'll tell you कि market ने exactly उस ratio पे आके रुकी है जो अब्दुल रहमान के सामने I've drawn, I've shown that Fibonacci retracement and the level जहाँ पे market आके रुकी है वो भी आपके सामने screen पे बताया. अब्दुल रहमान आगे इधर बता दे ताहा को. समझ आइए मैंने क्या किया था? इस पे जा, Fibonacci retracements पे जाना है. Talked about an expanding triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right?
Yes,
and then we took a Fibonacci retracement from this point onwards where the move started on the upside. I took it to the Fibonacci level from here, the initial point, and I took it, and the ending point, I took it here. Why not here? Because this is where this move up ends, and this basically is part of the fourth wave, which is the triangle, expanding triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it comes at 38.2% exact. So you have two studies. You looked at your expanding triangle, that was the end of the move, and then it confirms with the Fibonacci retracement level that we discussed earlier. It stopped at 0.382%, and then boom, it's up. Now we can also calculate the where from here the market, where the market is going to head, where the market is going to go. Now if you have a calculator, please keep concentrating on the screen. And my voice should be clear. Now, the low point, ये आप देखें लेवल पे क्या आ रहा है बेटा? ये मैंने लाइन डाली है यहाँ पे horizontal line.
184.
शुरू से ना? This is Dow Jones 18,428. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or let's look at the top on the. If you want to figure out what is the next target is going to be. Read this number. Pura, complete. The complete number. Read the complete number.
29868.94.
Right. From this number, write it down on your calculator. 29,000 something minus 18,000. And I'm giving you the exact calculation where your profit target has to be. If you've bought it right here, if you bought it here, if you bought it here, and you recognize this expanding triangle, where would your exit point be? Where would your profit target be? Your stop is obviously going to be below that 0.38% that you took it. Make it 50% because markets, they spike. These shadows show the market spike. They take out your stop. They try to take out your stop and then they move in the direction where they intend to take it. But since you have recognized this pattern, you would be careful and you would place your stop accordingly because you've recognized this is a short trade. It is, if this is an expanding triangle, it will not go beyond, it will not be logical for the market to go a lot deeper because this triangle confirms, this line confirms it. So your stop has to be below this line, a little bit considered because this is a very volatile market. It's spiking, it's making sure that it takes the small fish out and then they take it up higher. So your stop has to be below this level. Now, for the target, what target you to achieve? Where is it going to head? You minus 29,000 this, from 29,000 this minus this 18,000.
10,636.
Right. That's 10,636. Now you add this 10,636 to this 29,000. Right. 40,505. Now let's see where 40,505 is. Somewhere around here. So from this expanding triangle, the market already told you where it's going to head, in what direction. So your target on the upside will be minimum this much. The market has gone above that. It retraced and it went back up again. It's still heading on, still showing that it's near the top right now. So this is how you can calculate this, how far this is on a monthly basis. On a monthly basis, obviously, your target is, your stop loss is going to be wider and your profit target is going to be wider. So it basically tells you where the market is going to head and how far, it can go up. So you can take your profit accordingly. Right?